Day 7, Kigali, 1 week in Rwanda, the ultimate itinerary. On your last day in Rwanda, make the most of your time by getting up early and heading to Rwandan-Belgian bakery Baso Pâtissier for breakfast. Exceptional coffee and flaky fresh croissants, beignets, and cream puffs give you the energy you need for a morning tour at the Nyamirambo Women's Center, located a 10-minute drive away. You have two options. The first is a walking tour of the capital's historic Nyamirambo neighborhood, including visits to a local hair salon, tailor's shop, and 2 mosques, followed by a traditional lunch at the home of the center's renowned cook, Aminatha. Alternatively, skip the walking tour and opt to spend the morning learning to prepare authentic Rwandan cuisine. Under Aminatha's guidance, you will shop for ingredients at the local markets, prepare them in her courtyard kitchen, then cook them over traditional charcoal stoves. In total, you will make 6 dishes to be shared as a delicious last lunch in Rwanda. Possible inclusions range from staples such as ugali, stiff maize porridge, and isombe, pounded cassava leaves, to stews made with plantains, meat, and peanuts. After lunch, it's time to fetch your bags and head back to the airport, in time for your flight home.